Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Those who are new, thank you so much for joining. Those who are watching and have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Guys, today we will be making honey garlic butter salmon. It's a very easy, simple and delicious recipe. The ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. So if you guys are ready, let's get started. I have a salmon here and I'm trying to fillet this salmon, as you can see, and I'm finishing like a pro. I want to be able. Look at that. My beautiful filleted salmon. That's my first time, by the way. Alright, so I would have already washed and cleaned my salmon and now I'm patting it dry. Now we will cut the salmon into desired size, or you can actually purchase it already cut. So I would have already sprayed a foil pan and I'm place the salmon on top of that. I'm adding some melted butter, some honey, and my dry ingredients. You will whisk that well. Make sure everything is nice and combined. It looks amazing, guys. Now we will add our garlic and whisk that in. Make sure it is nice and combined with the rest of the ingredients. Make sure to taste and you can adjust the seasoning as well. Now we will apply that right on top of the fish and be generous with it, guys. I also sprayed the foil paper and I'll place this over the fish. Allow that to cook for about 15 minutes and this is our finished product. Guys, this is so amazing. I did add some lemon slices while it was baking, so it has that lemony flavor with the garlic and the honey. Guys, this is a must try, and if you do, please let me know how yours turned out. If you would have done yours differently, you can also let me know in the comment section. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.